Hi everybody, today is Monday, May 11th, and this starts week 5 of virtual learning. So in this video, I'm going to go over the assignments for this week. One of them looks different and it's new, so make sure you're paying close attention as I explain what you're doing. So since we're done Fever 1793, we're going to be reading a scope article, and I split it into 2 weeks. So we're going to do half of it this week and half of it next week. So basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be reading and then just answering questions. So this is called The Bear Attack That Changed America. And you'll see that I have links for the assignment, for the PDF, and to read it out loud. So this is what the story looks like. Okay. And I made a video of myself reading this out loud. So if you want that support, just click on the link below there, and it'll take you to it. And since I'm only reading half of it this week, it's only 5 minutes. All right, so that's the story. There's a link to read it, and what you also have to do is answer some questions. And that's in the assignment page under classwork. So this is what it looks like. And I also put links in here for the PDF of the text, the story of me reading it. And I also made a video of me reading this assignment page because I thought there's kind of a bit of reading in here. So if you want me to read this to you, go ahead and open the third link. But what you're going to do is there's pre-reading vocabulary that you have to do. So you'll do this part before you read the story. And then there's text questions that go along with it. And it's not a lot. There's 6 questions that go with the text, and there are 6 vocabulary questions. Okay, so make sure you turn that in when you're finished. And then next week we'll finish out the second half of the story. All right, so that's the first assignment for this week. The second assignment are vocabulary slides 8.14. We are going to start those this week. And then you'll have a vocabulary quiz on these words next week. I made a video of myself teaching you guys the first 12 words, so here's that link. Go ahead and open that up if it's helpful for you. So that's what this looks like as it loads. Okay. And then this is what the slide deck looks like for vocabulary set 8.14. It has a desert on the front. All right, and I also put study tools here for the quiz, so if you have extra time this week and want to get studying, those are there for you. Second page, I did make a sample schedule for you guys to kind of help you chunk this out, so you're able to not overwhelm yourself each day, just do a little bit at a time. All right, that's it. If you have questions, just reach out.